Welcome to this video on SiteNova's high-performance digital architecture. We move beyond rigid templates to build custom, lightning-fast web spaces designed for Mumbai's commercial elite. Generic website builders often lead to bloated code and poor performance. SiteNova takes a different approach, crafting bespoke digital storefronts from scratch to ensure technical reliability and optimized growth. This table highlights the architecture divide. While traditional builders rely on pre-packaged templates and plugins, SiteNova focuses on scratch-built foundations, achieving consistent 99-plus core web vitals. SiteNova was founded in 2026 by Kavish Ganatra, with headquarters in Mulund West, Mumbai. We maintain an exclusive capacity, limiting our work to between 5 and 15 elite projects annually. We power Mumbai's elite commercial zones. Our focus spans premium areas like Petta Road and Malabar Hill, while also scaling operations for high-growth centers such as Thane and Powai. Our production engine consists of 3 tiers: a modern front-end toolkit, a dynamic core using Supabase for the database and backend, and custom Python automation scripts to replace enterprise SaaS bloat. Our Python core manages cloud environments, handles dynamic image resizing, and automates database synchronization. This ensures that raw input is transformed into structured, live data for your front-end. We translate raw business data into local search dominance. By injecting rich local business schema, we map your exact coordinates and verified reviews directly onto search engine result pages. To ensure zero business downtime, we build hardened infrastructure. This includes SSL encryption, automated backups, and enterprise-grade hosting, supported by our ongoing technical maintenance and schema updates. We offer proprietary architectures tailored to your needs, ranging from AI-driven interfaces and business showcases to custom design systems and high-speed e-commerce archetypes. The performance equation for digital growth fuses high-end UI/UX, hardened database as a service, and local SEO schema. This combination guarantees the 99-plus core web vitals benchmark for every deployment. Our verified deployments demonstrate our success in high-trust sectors, including Fintech platforms and professional medical practice sites, delivering sleek, modern, and functional environments. Our process moves from discovery and design to final launch and support. We collaborate closely on your vision, engineer the solution, and provide one-click deployment to global URLs. We provide premium engineering with transparent economics and competitive bidding. With project costs starting from 10,000 to 15,000 rupees, we maintain strict quality control by limiting our annual delivery. Do not settle for a template when you can build an architecture. Join us at SiteNova.dev to engineer your presence from the ground up for speed, reliability, and market dominance.